Hi everyone! Today I want to make a video to show you result of using Sealpod Reusable Capsule versus this is Lavazza capsule. Lavazza flavor Armonico flavor. Okay. With Sealpod I'm going to use ground coffee. Cinnamon medium roast, and I mix a little bit of Java dark roast. It's more cinnamon, but if you like to drink intense coffee, you can use more dark roast coffee. Maybe mix 2 or 3 different blends of dark roast coffee, and you'll get a very good intense coffee. Just place the sticker lids on top of it, and here we go. Smells really good. Okay, let me remove it here. And then this is Lavazza Armonico. And the intensity for both is about the same. Lavazza also has rich crema. Smells different. Okay, let it sit a little bit and you can see the crema. Again, for Sealpod today I used Java beans. This is Java dark roast with cinnamon medium roast. I put about 80% of medium roast and then just 20% of Java to give it a little bit more intense flavor, but I don't like too dark roast unless I'm going to have a latte. Okay, you can see from here, this is with Sealpod and this is with Lavazza Armonico. You can see very nice crema for both. Thank you for watching. Bye.